Hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. I'm called Victor. Today we are going to show you how we can install a Twinmotion software with class. This will help us to know very well how to install this software because it is very work with ArchiCAD. When you wanted to make a rendering, you can use it in order to increase the aesthetical building or any construction project. Also for animation you can use it. So I will request you to subscribe to this YouTube channel in order to help this for growth, and it will help you also to be notified every video which will be uploaded. So thank you. Okay, we are going to see how to install this Twinmotion. Before you install, you have been download this software. So this is our folder which include all requirements, all files relating to install this Twinmotion. So we start by click here, double click, and wait a moment. Immediately you click here as a next, and you click as agree, and then starting to install. So this will help. This will take a few minutes in order to complete this first step before you go on to second step. Okay, as you see, it is starting to proceed. When it is start, it will take like a few minutes in order to reach here, because it is our mainly purpose to all manually installed phase. So wait a moment until it will be completed or reach here. Okay, it is going to reach here in order to finish the first step. Let's take a few minutes, will be completed. Okay, as you see, the installation is already finished, and directly we are going to crack this software. Then we come on this folder and then double click. Direct, you come on this patch folder and select this, right click, and then copy, come on local disk C, double click, program file, come on this Twinmotion, scroll down, okay, this Twinmotion, then paste here. Okay, media TD is already pasted. So direct, we come on here to open notepad, then right click, run as administrations, then file, come here as an open, and come here as local disk C, select a window, then come here as a found assistant times 3, then here select a driver, then click on driver and come on etc, and then come here as all text. So okay, then click this hotspot and then come in this folder, then come on here, here on notepad, come here on patch, and select this, copy immediately, paste here, and then save and close, and come to local disk C, program file, Twinmotion, then click on it and click right click and run as a demonstrations, and we are going to press password in order to patch or to crack this software or Twinmotion. We come here as a patch and click on this pass, then immediately select this as like a password and copy, paste here, and then proceed. Immediately come here as a patch and write a few moments. Exist. So come here as a type then open file location, and then paste it on desktop and press, then right click in order to check if our installations were done. Okay, our installation, we are going to see how we are going to check if our crack were done. Okay, our installation, it was finished because our software or our Twinmotion is working well. So as you see, this is our beginning of our Twinmotion, because I was knowing how to install it, and the next time I will show you how to make a rendering, or to make a next setting relating to this software before we complete our project that was working on ArchiCAD, that will be imported in this Twinmotion after it will be completed. So I also recommend to you to make a subscribe on this YouTube channel in order to help it in growth, and will help you to notify every video that will be uploaded, and immediately you can be notified. So thank you. I'm called Victor. We shall meet next time.